Adding a variable product. In this lecture, I will show you how to add a variable product. Okay, once we are there, I'm going to click on products, all products, and I'm going to click on the blue add product button. Okay, I will wait. And here I'm going to enter my product name. I'm going to call it men's shirt. And I'm going to enter here my little description, my dummy text. And here I'm going to enter my category, my collection, men's shirts. And here I'm going to upload the image for the product. Right over here. I'm going to wait. And I'm going to choose this one, the black one. And I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to give it a price. I'm going to give it the price 30 euros. And the quality, okay, quantity, how many you got in stock, 100 in this case. And here I'm going to add variants. These are the variables. So I'm going to enter a size S, size M, size L for large. And I'm going to add another option, the color. I'm going to enter here black and gray and white. Okay, when that's done, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to enter the inventory for this product. How many products you got in stock for each one, for the S or the M or the L, and the colors. So I'm going to enter 100 for everything in this case. I'm also going to show you an application in the next lectures where you don't have to do all this stuff. It's already set it up for you. Okay, so I will click on save product. And I will wait. And right over here, I'm going to enter my shirt. I'm gonna add an image. We need the green one, and I select the green one. And I'm gonna click on save. And I'm gonna select the black one right over there, and I'm gonna hit save. And I'm gonna select the white one, and I'm gonna click on add image and select the white one, and I'm gonna hit save. Okay, that's great. So now we have set it up our variable product. Let's take a look at how it looks and what you can do with a variable product. We'll wait. Okay, that's great. We got our sizes right over here, S, M, and L. And you can also add other sizes. And here we got the colors, the different colors in green and white. So that's here right over here. And yeah, that's great. That's a variable product. So yeah, I will see you soon.